Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find a client's name on Upwork. This can be incredibly useful when you want to personalize your proposal or verify who you're working with before applying to a job. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can start searching for potential jobs. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the type of job you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for bookkeeping work, type bookkeeper into the search bar and press enter. This will pull up all the relevant job postings that match your search criteria. You'll now see a list of available jobs. Take your time browsing through the results to find a posting that interests you. When you find one, click directly on the job title. This will open the full job posting, giving you access to all the details about the project, including requirements, budget, and client information. Once the job page loads, scroll down until you reach a section called Client's Recent History. This is a key section because it shows past interactions the client has had with other freelancers. You'll see reviews and feedback from previous projects, which can give you valuable insight into how the client operates. Now here's where you can find the client's name. Read through the reviews carefully in the client's recent history section. Freelancers often mention the client's first name in their feedback when they leave positive reviews or describe their working experience. Look for any instances where a name appears clearly in the feedback. Since Upwork doesn't display client names directly on the job post itself, this is the most reliable way to discover who you'd be working with. It's important to note that you should only use the name if it appears clearly and naturally in the feedback. Sometimes freelancers don't mention the client by name at all, so you may not always find this information. But when it's there, it can help you craft a more personalized and engaging proposal that stands out from the competition. And that's it. You've now learned how to find a client's name on Upwork by using the client's recent history section. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.